Ebengi ya family yachengeire Emiaka 41 yokorwa obokoreri gochia asa abateja baye ase boigo yararirie obotumeki bwe chibese bwe nusu mwaka na kwenekia gochia gokinia obokoreri obwo.
100 staff who are committed to deliver value to our customers. In terms of our balance sheet growth, and this one you're going to see it when our CFO will be doing the presentation, we've experienced a very good growth, a very strong growth, currently sitting with a balance sheet of 192.8 billion Kenya shillings, 192 and still growing and growing. This is as at 30th of June and growing with equity of 25.1 billion Kenya shillings.
Ebengi boigo yagareirie obokoreri bwaye gwetera enchira yekerero ase yaimokirie asilimia nene yobokoreri bwo gutuma na koruse chibese nigo bogokorwa gwetera enchira yekerero.
As far as our digital financial services is concerned, we have recorded a significant growth. Currently, 92% of all our transactions are happening digitally. So only 8% is happening across the physical branch infrastructure. And this means that we have to keep innovating, we have to keep investing in our digital infrastructure because we have an aspiration to push that number to even 98% within the current strategic plan.
Ebengi yo nigo yatebire buna nigo bagotegerera ebirengereri by'abateja babo buna enjere yemo yogukinia na boigo goikerania amaganio abo.
Our customers are the ones that drive us to make sure that we innovate and meet their needs. As a bank, we don't sit and think what the customers want. We engage a lot with our customers to make sure that whatever we bring on board is actually solution-based, is solving a certain problem. And this is customer centricity on our part.
Arena yo nigo yakwaneire amakongu ayebwateraneti omwako eta asebono yaimokirie meroberi yaimokirie kwenekia nkorwa ere obokoreri obuya.
Last year we had some bit of subdued economic activities. We had a lot of customers affected, disposable income affected, but that has since changed between January this year and June. So we've seen a lot of customers coming to us for financing, both consumer as well as customers who are doing business activities. And that confirms even the number you're seeing in our government securities. That number, we are confident, will reverse. Our business model as Family Bank is lending to private sector. And we had to park money in government securities because of that subdued borrowing from private sector. But that has since changed, and you're going to see a lot of growth happening when it comes to loan book growth.
Nonye nabo nigo bagokeire obokoreri bwabo bisa ase sector yokurusie bango ase emirimo yabo emia bagokora.
In Family Bank, we've employed highly experienced tax experts. And every decision we make on investment is first of all taken through our tax department, who evaluate and tell us this investment has these tax advantages and this one does not.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV, erietaria ne Linet Nyambane.